This is a Smart Video Bite to demonstrate how to use Smart Blocks. It's a new feature in Notebook 14.2. My name is Sandy Fischel and I'm a Smart Exemplary Educator from Ontario, Canada. I'm going to show you the tool, explain its pedagogical value, and demonstrate how to use the tool. The tool is found in the Add-ons tab in the side toolbar over here. So when you press that, here are a list of your add-ons, and you notice you have a new one down here called Smart Blocks. It's another great math tool for students to use to interact with, discuss, and think about mathematics. The Smart Blocks provide immediate feedback, they're visually engaging, and they facilitate discussion. Now you can input numbers into these blocks using your pen, using the keyboard, or with diagrams. So here we have two integers, 10 and -6, and I'd like to add those. So I'm going to press Smart Blocks, go up and find the addition block and pull it onto my screen, pick up a pen, and then I'm just simply going to draw a line from my two numbers into my block. And it will add 10 and -6 and get the answer 4. Over here I have the question 3 squared minus 4. So there are two different operations going on. So the first one is the power. So I'm going to pull over my power block, draw a line from the 3. You notice those are handwritten. So 3 squared, whoops, sometimes it's a little fussy. There we go, is 9. Now I want to subtract 4, so I need to get my subtraction block and draw a line from the 9 and from the 4, and I get the answer 5. Now, as well as the regular operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, powers, and square root, there's this unknown block. So I'd like to demonstrate that. So I'm going to pull in the 12. I'm going to pull in the 4. And it says the answer is 16. So the discussion is, what operation would give you that answer of 16? Now, if you don't want that number 12 anymore, you can simply erase the connector and then join another number into the box. And now the answer is -2, and you form more discussion. Here's a diagram, and I have grouped 5 frogs together, and I have grouped 3 frogs together. So I want the total number of frogs. If I pull in my addition block, pick up a pen, I can just drag from the grouping of 5 and drag from the grouping of 3, and I get a total of 8 frogs. I could see this perhaps used when you're discovering the Pythagorean theorem. We've all seen this diagram. You can pull over the addition block, and I've grouped 9 squares together, and I've grouped 16 squares together, and I get the answer of 25 squares. Have fun using Smart Blocks.